What's your close rate?
My close rate, 70%.
That's bullshit. You're lying. It's not 70%. So I met this guy at a conference who tried lying to me about his sales numbers.
Damn.
The thing is, most business owners do this. And it's not that you're intending to lie, it's that you make something up in your head and then you go with that.
That's not round, it's fat.
What I'm about to share with you is the biggest secret to actually growing your business that you don't even realize you're doing. Now, I'm gonna tell you that in a second, but first you must understand that a business is all about solving continuous problems. And if you solve enough problems, you get to become a millionaire. It's kind of like that movie, The Martian, where Matt Damon's character survived on Mars for a year, and then at the end of the movie, he's explaining to a group of new NASA recruits how he did it. And he said, at some point, you're gonna get up there and everything's gonna go wrong. And you're gonna think, I'm gonna die.
Now you can either accept that or you can get to work. You do the math, you solve one problem, then you solve the next one. And if you solve enough problems, you get to come home.
It's the same thing in business. You solve problem after problem after problem, and if you solve enough problems, you get to become a millionaire. But the only way to solve those problems is if you actually know what the problem is. So when this guy asked me how to grow his business, and he said he had a problem with marketing, the first thing I asked him was, what's your close rate?
My close rate, 70%.
Now because I don't have a head injury, immediately know that is not true. No one has a 75% close rate. And if you're watching this video right now and you think you have a 75% close rate, well then click the link included with this video to buy some air, because that's how gullible you are. The reason he thought he had a 75% close rate was because he wasn't tracking it. So when he thought about what his close rate was in his head, he made an estimation. Do you track it?
No.
So you don't know.
Yeah.
So it's bullshit. That estimation was not based on any data, it was not based on any software, it was not based on any numbers. It was just based on an estimate in his head, and when we do that, we are way, way, way off the mark 99% of the time. And I've run into this many times when consulting entrepreneurs. They will make a diagnosis about their business based off a metric that is completely made up, which means they're living in Never Never Land with Peter Pan flying around amongst the fairies. And when you live in Never Never Land, you never grow your business. See, the people that are succeeding, they set their feelings aside, they don't estimate, they look at the data and they go, I thought I was closing more. I thought we were selling more, but we're actually not. We could make a lot more money if we figured out how to increase this, if we figured out how to tweak that. Didn't realize that was a problem. Why didn't I realize it? Because I wasn't looking at the data. Can you imagine if you went into a hospital and there's a man laying on the table, almost dead. Doctor comes in and says to the nurse, what are these man's test results? She doesn't look at the actual test results. She just goes, you know what? I think it was something around 4. Now that doctor makes decisions based off a made up number. What happens? The person dies. Just like your business dies when you make decisions based off things that are made up in your head, just aren't real. The people who succeed the most, they live in reality. And in reality, you don't track your calls, you don't know what your close rate is. Address that, and when you start living like that, you'll be able to solve all these problems. I'm just being real.
No, I appreciate that, I really do.
Here's what you can do right now. You either need one of two things. You either need discipline or you need software. Now, I'm not gonna get into the software aspect of it because there's a million bajillion softwares that you can use to track things. But if you just have discipline, and this is how I started, I made a spreadsheet and I would simply track things. I would track how many calls I took, how many showed, how many didn't show, how many bought, how many didn't buy. And then I would track why they didn't buy. And then at the end of every week, I would look at those reasons why they didn't buy, and I would go back to my advertisements and my marketing, and I would adjust that front-end marketing and front-end advertisements to more accurately articulate my message to people, so I was pre-handling their thoughts and their concerns, and so I would attract the right people. And when you take a data-based approach to your business, and it's not based on feelings, it's not based on praying to your angels or having a little session where you balance your chakras and then try to let your earth goddess tell you why your Facebook ads aren't converting.
And Mercury's in retrograde or something.
And you just set all that garbage aside and you just go, no, this is the data, this is what happened, I didn't remember this right, but here's what it says, I need to make a decision based on this. That's when you not only become a real entrepreneur, but you become a non-lunatic, because only a lunatic would make important business decisions based off memory alone.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.
And that is the cold, hard truth you need to hear. If you are making important decisions in your life or your business based off of memory, something that is scientifically proven to be extremely inaccurate after a very short amount of time, well then, that's why you're not making any money. Now, I'm about to tell you exactly how you can fix this right now. I'm gonna leave a link in the description with a spreadsheet that I created to track my sales. You can use it, you cannot use it, I don't really care. But if it brings value to you, you can have it, it's free, links in the description. One more thing you must know to make this work for you. One more secret that you absolutely have to know or you will fail. And that is